In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw centerline in AutoCAD. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to generate a clean, precise centerline between two existing lines. Perfect for mechanical drawings, symmetrical layouts, or any time you want to show the middle between edges. A centerline is a special line type that represents the exact midpoint between two lines. It's commonly used to indicate symmetry, shaft centers, or the center axis of parts. The great thing is, AutoCAD has a built-in command that makes this fast and consistent, so you don't have to measure or eyeball anything. Here's how to do it. Start by typing CL in the command line and press Enter. You can do this from anywhere in your drawing. It doesn't matter what your current tool is, as soon as you type CL and confirm, AutoCAD is ready for your picks. If you don't see the command line, just look near the bottom of your screen or wherever you've docked it in your workspace. Next, click on the first line, then click on the second line. These should be the two edges you want to center between. Think of opposing faces of a part, or the sides of a slot, or any pair of straight segments that define the area you're centering. You don't need to snap to specific endpoints or midpoints. Simply select each line object. A clean, unambiguous selection helps AutoCAD understand your intent, so zoom in a bit if your lines are close together. As soon as you pick the second line, AutoCAD will draw a center line between them automatically. You'll see it appear right down the middle, aligned perpendicular to both selected lines when appropriate. The software also takes care of the length for you. The center line's length will be the average of the two selected lines. That means you get a balanced, visually consistent result without any extra measuring. In many cases, you'll also notice a slight overshoot past the edges. This is intentional and helps the centerline read clearly on prints and screens. If the result isn't what you intended, simply undo and try again, making sure you click the correct pair of lines. The order of selection typically doesn't matter, but accurate picks do. And if your drawing is busy, temporarily isolating or zooming into the area can make selection easier. That's all there is to it. Type CL, press Enter, click the first line, click the second, and let AutoCAD draw the center line for you with the proper average length. It's quick, reliable, and keeps your drawings neat and professional.